Today, Seoul wakes up under a thin layer of snow, and we're stepping right into it. It's day 10 of our journey, and this time we're chasing a different side of the city quiet, cold, and beautifully frozen. From steaming dumplings on a winter street, to snow falling at Gwanghwamun, to warming our frozen hands with the most comforting bowl of Korean ginseng soup, let's see what snowy Seoul feels like. Hello everyone, Ojisan here. It's still early morning and we're inside our hotel room at Shilla Guro, getting ready to head out. I peek outside, the sky looked gloomy, the kind of gray that promises a cold day. But there's something exciting about walking into that kind of weather. So, let's go. Let's feel how cold Seoul really is today. The moment we stepped out, I felt that cold winter air hit my face. Snow dusted the streets. That already confirmed it. Today would be freezing. When I checked the temperature, it was minus 1 degree Celsius. No wonder our breath looked like smoke. As we walked toward the station, I felt grateful about choosing this hotel. Everything is clean, comfortable, and located nearby restaurant, cafes, the subway. Honestly, we like it here. The neighborhood is calm and quiet, feels like the perfect balance for us. Right across the street is Galgal Food Street, basically a paradise of local restaurants. If you stay here, trust me, you will never go hungry. First thing today, we would like a breakfast. We found a small dumpling shop, and even from a distance, we could see the steam rising from the baskets outside. In cold weather, that sight is almost irresistible. It felt like the dumplings were calling us in. The shop is tiny, maybe 4 or 5 seats, and the kitchen is right beside you. You can literally watch the aunties fold and steam the dumplings by hand. The dumplings were warm, moist, full of flavor. A simple meal, but on a freezing morning, it was perfect. After that hearty breakfast, we headed to Gwanghwamun Square, which is a popular place to visit. Walking there, I could feel the cold tightening around my fingers and body. Even the air felt heavier. But that is an experience we wanted to have. Gwanghwamun Square is always a popular spot for visitors. Today, it felt calm and gentle, like the city slowed down because of the weather. Here, we could take photos at Cheonggyecheon stream, visited the statues of King Sejong and Admiral Yi Sun Sin. The Cheonggyecheon stream is a popular place to walk around, and right now there are some ornaments from Winter Lantern Festival. After a few minutes taking pictures, my hands started going numb from the cold, literally numb. So we tried to find a nearby cafe. Luckily, we spotted a cafe just near the statue of Admiral Yi Sun Sin. Inside, it felt like stepping into another world. Warm, bright, filled with the smell of fresh coffee and interesting cakes. Sitting by the window overlooking the square, I slowly felt my fingers come back to life. That moment, warm drink in hand, snow outside, those small breaks are what make winter travel unforgettable. Once we warmed up, we continued walking toward Gyeongbokgung Palace. King Sejong sits proudly as always. He is the one who invented the Korean alphabet Hangul. If you walk straight from his statue, you reach the palace, the same palace we visited during our first trip in Seoul on a sunny day, but today was completely different. As we approached the gate, tiny ice door plates began to fall, then more. Soon, the palace grounds were sprinkled with snow. The air felt colder, the palace looked softer. It was like seeing the same landmark but in another season. And honestly, I love this version more. Unfortunately, today the palace is closed, so a tip, you better check first before you visit here. The snow started to falling harder. The ground got slippery, the wind sharper, my face was frozen, and we were hungry. So we headed straight to Tosokchon Samgyetang, famous for its Korean ginseng soup. My expectation it would warm our souls. When we reached the restaurant, it looked like a small village of traditional Korean houses. Beautiful and timeless. Even better, it wasn't crowded, so we got a table immediately. The samgyetang came boiling hot, a whole chicken stuffed with glutinous rice, cooked until tender, floating in rich, earthy ginseng broth. One spoon, and I felt my whole body warm up from the inside. After a morning of snow and wind, this meal hit the perfect spot. The kimchi and pickled radish made it even better. By the time we finished, I felt energized again, warm, ready to continue the adventure. In the next video, we will explore Insadong and Iksondong for trendy shops and cafes. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It truly helps our channel grow. And as always, may you have joy wherever you are. See you in the next video.